gotta take a picture of it?
Yeah. There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, it's recording?
Yeah, it's recording now. Good morning, I'm Specialist Pruitt. The purpose of this speech today is to inform our audience about the Ebola virus, the seriousness of the effects of it. The central idea is if an outbreak occurs, how can you survive this outbreak? Let's say a friend of yours comes home from a place like Germany or Africa. What are you going to do? I mean, they've traveled overseas. They're in a common place with like monkeys, playing around with animals. Before they, get around you, would you have them go see a medical physician or get checked out? Know some of the telltale signs of Ebola virus. Understand symptoms, who to call. Would you know what to do in case somebody's portraying these symptoms? One of the first steps to identifying the symptoms is from the onset they'll be exhausted, have dizziness, headaches, and usually these headaches will compound right in the eyes. You'll get real bright red eyes, bloodshot, nausea, and vomiting, and that happens within like the first day or so. After day 2, they'll start getting diarrhea, drowsiness, some mental disturbances like probably forgetfulness. They'll get yellow skin and the bloodshot eyes will deepen even redder. Around day 5 to day 7, they'll develop rashes. They'll continue the symptoms from above and blood. They'll start vomiting blood, and in this blood it'll sort of be black with red dots, and like 1 tablespoon of that contains over 1 million particles of the Ebola virus. After day 8, from day 8 to 16, pretty much death occurs. They hemorrhage inside and hemorrhage out of every orifice. If you know where it comes from an African green monkey. Labor workers that deal with other cultures and tissues. So protecting your family, when you know someone goes to these regions, go ahead and call them up if they're going to be around you, and ask them, have you been checked out? Are you feeling any of these symptoms? And if they have, tell them to go to the doctor immediately. Once that happens, to confirm your fears, call the CDC or tell them what these guys are experiencing, and maybe they can give you some insight, and they may send somebody out there in suits to check them out. It's a good thing to do that before they come over to your house, because it is a airborne virus. They can spread it. There's 3 different types. There's Ebola virus, Marburg, Zaire, and Sudan. And actually, that's the 3 killers of humans. Ebola Zaire has a 90% death rate, so 9 out of 10 die. The Marburg, it only kills about 1 out of 4. And how they get their names are where this virus was first located. That's how they get their name. Like Marburg, Germany, that's when it was first discovered. Zaire, that's when that was first discovered. But to find out more on these, a great book is The Hot Zone. It's a fictional book, and you can get it anywhere. Thanks a lot. Much.